got me like.
Alright, it's the next day, and before heading down to the venue, Pika J actually had to meet up with Ken because these guys have some photography to do this morning. So we're at this place called VPS. I want to take you inside and show you a little tour of the cars that they have in there. Crazy. Oh, this place is sick. Yeah. Oh, they got an A90 back there. Bro, what? That comes on this thing is insane, bro. Whoa. Look seen to the interior. Everything's suede. Oh my god. And look who's back. What's up, dude?
Yeah, it's Matt Bate from stock.
So ballin', bro. Oh, what? This is a manual? If I were to ever get another one, it would have to be manuals. This is the price of the A90. What, dude? It's too clean. So it's such a beautiful facility, man. Super well lit. You got the mezzanine, their own wash bay, that's their hashtag. They do window tint, paint protection film, ceramic coat. Cars are an investment for some of us. Ken's rad. So you have like air cups. Oh my god, is that Visa, birdie? First time in the new Taggy. Take this thing for a test drive. Sweet.
You have to full send it first.
Yeah, you gotta full send it.
Apparently.
Yeah.
Okay, where to?
She 2-inch lower, so you'll have to.
With care. I'm used to the low cars.
Alright. Bro, why are you so cute?
Don't tempt me, man. How much? How much?
$10.
After test driving Ken's new Integra, we quickly stopped by Jay's and Ken's studio space. Thank you. Kinda makes me miss mine, but that's something I'm definitely working towards in the future. Just another hyperbolic time chamber where I can be myself. Sick! It's really all you need, man.
I know. Please.
Of course, the centerpiece. It's like when you need a little break. Yeah, that's
Making
dope.
decisions.
Is that official? Crocs? Yeah, this place is sweet, dude.
Workplace, again, top, very dangerous, no barriers or anything.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Oh, you like danger? Should we go buy some smoke bombs? I want to play with smoke bombs. They're really fun. That means only half ball.
What?
It's half ball because that's half dead. Look at them. Oh, there's a photo studio over here. It's a self-portrait studio. It's like literally down the street. Wait, it's right there.
It is right there.
Wait, you know it too?
Yeah.
Do you know them? You know everyone, don't you?
I mean, it's kind of hard not to know everybody in the city.
Okay, fine.
When it's small.
True. Can I leave my stuff here? If they see a gun, will they?
Yeah, a conversation was going somewhere. For context, I made Lulu a Valorant gun prop for her cosplay. Just so you know. So we got our day started at this quaint coffee shop by the river called Harrison's. Much needed.
Straightforward. Most of it is just muscle memory at this point. Muscle memory. Can you buy one of those machines? I know they're like $20,000, but like you can afford it, right? I can afford it. I know you can buy it. Take a sip before that'll
Right.
fit on there.
I'll take all of that.
There's one camera, but
You're stupid.
I just don't want you to get in trouble for allowing crazy girl.
I didn't do any.
Welcome.
And I'm okay. Hold on.
You gotta turn it on. Yay, let's go.
What?
She said fat.
I did. What? It is a. Wait, is it not a phantom?
This is a phantom. She got it right.
It's in the building! Yay!
Watch where you point that thing.
I'm trying to.
I didn't get to show you guys yesterday the booth setup, but this is what it looks like.
Down.
We're also selling PKJ's keyboards. Dude, this thing is like weighted. It's actually sick. Old school style too. Alright. We are back at the studio space, or I mean PKJ's homely abode. Friday is the first day of a convention. Is usually everyone's kind of testing the waters, you know, seeing what all the booths have to offer, and then the next day is usually when everyone spends their moolah. But I just did not bring enough prints, including this Mitsuri one of the newer art pieces, which I'm like super stoked about. I want to show you guys this Kaiju number 8 piece. Look how badass this piece is. I actually cannot wait for the next season. Not a manga reader. I want to see the animes in action with the soundtracks, dub soundtracks that these animes use, and also the voice acting. I'm in it for the voice acting. Sub. That's gonna be the rest of my night, is doing some artwork. I do have a commission I gotta work on, and also we gotta watch the newest episode of Dan Dan Dan, which is like super hype right now. Also, Dragon Ball Daima. PKJ and his mom graciously made us some pizza wraps, so it's crispy. Like 10 times better than a pizza pop. Oh my god. This is like the first wholesome thing I've put in my stomach today. We didn't have breakfast. We had coffee, but no lunch. What a life. Pizza wraps and anime and art. Yo, I'm running on Filipino time today. I'm an hour late, man, but it only takes like maybe 20 minutes to drive there. That's okay. I thought we started at 10. It was actually 9 a.m. What? There's frost on the car. Alright guys, day 2 of Winnipeg Comic Con, and it is shoulder to shoulder in here, guys. Yeah, bro, Saturday's crazy. I'm gonna do a quick walk around. I got Lulu watching my booth, and she's in her Sage cosplay, which I'll show you guys in a minute. Lulu! Slay. And right now I'm working on my first commission of the day. It's a Spy Family. Almost done. They're about to pick it up too, so get into Sage mode.
I got it. It lights up. I've been showing this off to everyone. Woo!
No, seriously, 60% of the reason there's people at this booth is because of her.
Yay!
Like, best marketer.
I'm walking around and I'm just like, people are like, it's so cool, and I'm like, yeah, I want to go see the person who made it, and I physically brought them over here, and I even know who they are. I tell them, follow me, and they do it.
Like, they come here as friends, but she's like, I don't even know these people. Like,
yeah.
Finish this commission, and also PKJ is on his way. He had like a wedding to go to this morning, but yeah. I'm hungry. I forgot we had these ube cookies with a lot of sugar. The people who are buying these postcards, one of them is a huge supporter, also an artist, but the mom is an art teacher, and she's using my art as an example to show her kids that you don't necessarily need expensive equipment to make really cool art. So that's like heartfelt. I have to wait until these dry a little bit, but yes. I think that should be okay. Thank you so much.
Thank
guys.
you.
I appreciate you.
Yeah.
And hope to see you again. I know this might be one of the last events for the year for me, but like in all of Canada, I don't think there's any more like Comic-Cons or Fan Expos. So
I don't know. This is the only one we get out to, so.
yeah, if anything, I'll see you next time.
Hopefully, I'll have my own booth next time, you know?
Oh,
Yeah.
dude, for sure. Yeah, if this provides you with an inspiration, I'm sure you can do it. So.
And Akon too.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy the rest of the
Having a ride done buddy and everything. So, want to hold it? Yeah, you do. Okay.
Lulu the world! Okay, we're actually having a car meet today. Super last minute, and we already got in trouble for advertising the boba store or boba shop that I wanted to hold the car meet at because they said if we don't give them a heads up, they probably wouldn't be ready for the influx of customers. That's my fault. So we're still going to the same lot, but I just advertised Thai Express instead of this boba shop. So no advertising for you. But yeah, I gotta wash this car first before this car meet because she's hella dirty. Yeah, car wash first, meet up with Jay, and then boba. Toyota gang! What are you talking about? Soap? Oh, you gotta wait. Maybe it's just the water. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yay! Sage washing your car. Oh, my lights. Look at that lineup though. Damn. Nice bike, bro. So pretty.
Can I just go home? Bro!
Got a hardcore Val player over here, bro. Sick, sick. What's up, friends? Oh, I'm missing that. Yo, Ken, what's up, dude? What the heck, dude?
To see you. Yeah.
Thanks for coming.
You're late for your own meet, man.
I kinda. Yeah. Filipino time, bro. Nah, I think I might spend a day extra because I'm not looking forward to that drive tomorrow. Or like 14 hours.
That's
So
crazy,
freaking
man.
boring. And then in this, it was like such a risk. So.
It's probably the noise, man, like the exhaust, like.
Yeah. Sometimes I just zone out and like I forget about it, but then when I start paying attention to it, I'm like, fuck.
Yeah.
So it's not as bad as like
Put
say.
like initial D on. It's
Derby.
like.
Well, yeah, it's clean though. And yeah, I kind of want to run it back. Where at? Oh, let's go! You reppin'. Zoom, zoom! What's up, brother? But I did promise you guys. Like, even though it snowed in Calgary.
That's what I'm saying. Over
Yeah, this was a risk, bro. This was a risk. So Keith is actually the owner of that crazy hatchback Subi that I've shown you on this channel before. But this is his Celica. Even got that limited edition Vertex wheel. Crazy, bro. The secret.
Oh no, it's my son.
What?
I have a 2-year-old son
Yeah.
that's addicted to
What better time to get him into that stuff? Like the baby Saiyan on board.
Oh, he's passed out.
Oh.
He's going, where are you hiding?
Show and tell, show and tell.
Oh, look, it's green! It's green!
What the heck? Dude.
Door jumps are not painted.
Yeah. This thing is swapped. So beautiful. Damn, with the 30. That is crazy clean, man. Wow. Is that what it came in it?
No.
Oh,
Came from Acura Integra. No, Acura RSX.
right. Oh, okay. Damn. In this thing though. Wow. It's actually sick.
I've been waiting for you to get a Civic.
I know.
Because I've
yeah.
been watching your videos for a long
Oh,
time.
crazy, man. Yeah, it's gonna happen.
You guys now. Hi.
Hello. The Lancer crew. Yeah, we saw you guys leaving and then you came back.
Oh no, we're going.
No. Oh yeah.
We're going to that other meet.
Yeah. Oh, there's another one. What the heck, dude?
The one by Linden Woods.
Yeah.
There was another one.
Yeah, it's like 204.
Well, this is the better one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told
Yeah.
you.
See, you agree.
Yeah.
It's a better one.
We saw you guys, but you're turning left onto
Your guys' names?
Eggsy.
Eggsy?
Eggsy.
Pleasure, man.
Ron. My brother.
Ron, pleasure to meet
Justin.
you guys. Justin, nice.
Justin, Ron, and Eggsy.
Hi, what's her name?
I go by Lulu.
Birdie. Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Woo! We stand passengers. No, it's okay. If you're shy, I can be loud.
Damn.
And like,
That's
okay.
freaking
It says holy cow. Just say,
Oh my god,
You
dude.
were, I think. Yours,
Yeah.
yours?
15, but not the final edition.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Mine's 14. 14.
That's insane. Yeah, this is total sleeper, man. When you can see the intercooler,
wait,
you know. It's even framed. Even framed, bro. Yeah, I would have done the same. That's sick, dude. I got the proof. The OG Treno, let's go. Overall, pretty wholesome night. Happy that people came out to the meet, even though 90% of all Canadians already put away their cars for winter. I was one of those people. Even had an energy battle with Keith's son, who knew all of the Dragon Ball characters' names and even moves inside and out. That's hella surprising for someone his age.
Yeah, back to solid point.
Oh, there it is! What the heck, dude? He knows all the moves, man. These guys got a Spy Family collab going on. That's so sick. Oh, appreciate it, man. Enjoy your night. Yeah, take care. Yeah, let's go.
I still get something cold in winter, and this guy needs to get something hot.
You're crazy. No, you're crazy.
I don't want it.
Yeah, you too, man. Thank you.
Don't use the bang bus thing. Oh, that fucking toys in there.
Hey, so much room.
This shit goes over here too, eh?
Yeah, it goes in. Wow,
Yeah, it goes in, and then
dude.
that one flattens, and then this thing's like a table that flattens over it, so it's all flat.
What?
A buddy of mine fit a dishwasher in there.
This is beautiful, dude. For sale too. This video gets 10 likes. Maybe. No, I'm actually getting Mark's contact info because this is like a contemplation stage kind of decision. Damn, bro, shut up. Be quiet.
You bought the Subaru, you buy this one. Every single time you come to Winnipeg,
Yeah,
it's
no,
another
it's
car.
what an enabler, dude. So Lulu kind of forced me to try and say hi to everyone. I've always been kind of in my own shell, introverted at times, and don't really make the effort to meet new people, especially in group settings. So I'm thankful I did. At the end of the day, what I've learned is it doesn't take much to try and make people happy. Even acknowledgement for some is enough. Again, thankful for everyone who came by to say what's up. I'm thankful for you guys on YouTube who are watching this vlog right now, and I'm thankful to just be. You know, negativity is just so heavily taxing, not worth your time or effort. So my 2 cents is try and leave people in places better than you found them, if you can. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. We'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.